Your doctor may have told you to accept the pain, but clinical trials have shown that many seniors felt better knee movement within 2 weeks simply by adding the right foods. I'm talking simple foods that help your body support collagen, ease stiffness, and calm swollen legs. You see, collagen is the framework that keeps your joints firm and steady. It is the cushion that lets your knees bend, your ankles move, and your legs carry your weight without strain. But as the years pass, this cushion gets thinner. It becomes weaker. Little by little, you feel more tightness, more pressure, and more cracking sounds when you move. Once you understand what the body needs, the foods that help will make perfect sense. Before we reach the top food on this list, we begin with a group that acts as the spark for your body to make collagen in the first place. Number 6. Citrus and vitamin C. Boosters. This group includes kiwi, guava, oranges, and the powerful fruit known as amla. Vitamin C is one of the main ingredients your body uses to build collagen. Without enough of it, the body struggles to repair the cushion inside your joints. Kiwi and guava bring a concentrated amount of this support. They help your body start forming new collagen strands. Oranges are gentle and easy to add daily. Amla is one of the strongest natural sources of vitamin C, which is why many people feel their legs move more comfortably when they take it in the morning. This group helps your body rebuild from the inside. But vitamin C alone is not enough because your body also needs help breaking down foods into usable building blocks. Number 5. Enzyme fruits for joint support. Pineapple and papaya are well known for their natural enzymes. These enzymes help your body break down food so it can absorb protein more easily. Protein is one of the main components needed to form collagen. When digestion becomes slower with age, your body has a harder time turning the food you eat into the support your joints need. Pineapple helps calm puffiness in the knees and ankles. Papaya helps your body get more out of the nutrients you eat. Together they help smooth out movement by improving how your body uses its food. But after digestion is supported, your joints need protection from everyday wear and tear. Number 4. Joint protective berries. Blueberries and strawberries provide natural plant compounds that help protect the lining around your joints. As we get older, this lining becomes more fragile. When it breaks down, the joints feel stiff and noisy. The compounds in these berries act like guards. They help keep the joint surfaces from wearing down too quickly. Blueberries help the legs feel lighter during long days. Strawberries help calm irritation around the knees. These fruits protect the support structure you already have, while the other foods help rebuild what has been lost. But your joints also need something else, something that helps with smooth and easy movement. Number 3. Healthy fats for smooth movement. Chia seeds and avocado bring natural oils that help your joints feel more flexible. When the knees or ankles feel dry or stiff, the body may be missing healthy fats that keep movement smooth. Chia seeds are tiny, but they carry the kind of fats that help you feel more fluid when walking. Avocado brings soft, nourishing fats that help your legs feel less tight. These foods do not create collagen on their own, but they create the environment your body needs to move comfortably. Once movement becomes smoother, your joints can put the new collagen to better use. But smooth movement is not possible without hydration inside the tissues. Number 2. Hydrating. Joint helpers. Cucumber with skin is simple but very effective. Most people do not know that the skin of the cucumber carries a mineral that supports joint flexibility. The water in cucumbers helps the body stay hydrated, which is important because joints need moisture to glide without friction. When the body is dehydrated, joints feel stiff and heavy. Cucumber helps bring back a soft, flexible feeling in the knees and ankles. It also helps reduce puffiness in the legs after long hours of standing. It is one of the easiest foods to add daily. But hydration alone is not enough. To truly support the natural cushion inside your joints, your body needs direct materials to rebuild it. Number 1. Everyday collagen builders. This group includes bone broth, egg whites, and sardines with soft bones. These foods provide the actual building blocks your body uses to form collagen. Bone broth contains the same type of natural gel-like proteins found inside your joints. When taken warm, it gently supports the cushion inside your knees. Egg whites give your body simple, clean protein that is easy to use for repair. Sardines with soft bones support both bone strength and joint health. They provide minerals that help the body form strong, steady support structures. This group is the foundation your body needs to rebuild and maintain your natural joint cushion. So when you combine these groups, your body gets everything it needs. You get vitamin C to start the process. You get enzymes to help your body use food better. You get protection from daily wear. You get healthy fats to keep movement smooth. You get hydration to prevent stiffness. And you get the raw materials your body needs to rebuild its natural support system. Hope this video helps. And if you would like to share your experience with this topic, feel free to write about it in the comments below. Your doctor may have told you to accept the pain.